Okay, so let's debate about burgers and pizza. What do you think about it?
We are tackling challenge 1, AI in robotics.
We are tackling challenge 2.
We're tackling challenge 3. We're building an AI app that helps long-form creators automatically tell the same story in short episodes.
And this is how we're gonna do it.
We're doing it at another Tech Europe Hackathon, this time in Karlsruhe. 80 engineers, 20 teams, 4 challenges, and 2 robots. Let's go!
Hi, I'm Jonas. I'm one of the co-founders of Codesphere and we're hosting this Tech Europe Hackathon.
My name is Fabian. I work at Sereact and we believe the era of AI robotics is here.
And our challenge to you is to train these 2 robots to do one task autonomously very, very well.
We are building an application using AI, learning German language platform, like a virtual teacher, but even better.
We are building an AI agent that helps family doctors to understand client complaints better and therefore to make diagnosis faster.
My back hurts since the weekend. It's like 5 out of 10 pain.
We are building an AI application that detects whale population by using visual machine learning models.
We are looking for amazing engineers to bring the vision of embodied AI to life. That's why we're here and why we brought the robot.
We're going to make this robot discover hidden objects.
The energy I felt in this hackathon is exactly what we need to transform the recent developments in AI and technology into something sustainable that has a positive impact on our society.